What combinations of alcohol and food can bring a person to the hospital? Doctors explained everything. Many people do not know that some foods can never be combined with alcohol. This can be very dangerous for health and provoke the appearance of dangerous diseases in the body. In particular, you should forget about such a combination as red wine and legumes. Indeed, legumes contain a lot of iron, and in combination with red wine it is simply not absorbed by the body. This is due to the fact that red wine contains tannins, compounds with tannic properties that interfere with the absorption of iron. Also, do not combine bread and beer. The fact is that both of these products contain yeast that can cause bloating in the morning. Also, this combination can lead to candidiasis and other digestive problems. Alcohol often causes heartburn, and when combined with sour tomatoes from marinara sauce, it is actually guaranteed. Therefore, it is worth abandoning such a combination so as not to suffer from unpleasant sensations in the morning. Do not abuse chocolate and any type of alcohol. After all, the body, in the first place, will begin to break down carbohydrates, and then process alcohol. Also, the combination of chocolate with alcohol creates an additional burden on the pancreas, and can even lead to its inflammation. The best snack for alcohol can be salads from vegetables or fruits, as well as nuts. But it is important to make sure that the nuts do not contain sodium. It is also worth remembering that you cannot abuse alcohol. This can have extremely negative consequences. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.